Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the world of sardines and why these tiny fish pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. Let's discover why sardines should be a staple in your diet. First up, omega-3 fatty acids. Sardines are loaded with these essential fats, especially EPA and DHA. These guys help reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and can even bring down your blood pressure. Plus, they're fantastic for brain function and can help support nervous system development. Feeling blue? Omega-3 acids might help alleviate symptoms of depression too. Next, let's talk about protein and calcium. Sardines are a great source of high-quality protein, perfect for muscle growth and maintenance. And guess what? They're rich in calcium too. Just one serving gives you about a third of your daily recommended intake. Calcium is key for bone health, and the vitamin D in sardines helps your body absorb it effectively. Now, onto vitamin B12 and selenium. Sardines are a powerhouse of vitamin B12, crucial for energy production, nerve function, and DNA synthesis. They also contain selenium, a trace mineral with antioxidant properties. This means it helps protect your cells from oxidative stress, organ damage, and infections. When it comes to heart health and cholesterol, sardines are a hero. The omega-3 acids, protein, and calcium they contain can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Sardines also have amazing anti-inflammatory effects. Thanks to their omega-3 acids and selenium, they can help alleviate symptoms of arthritis, gout, and other inflammatory conditions. And don't forget about brain health and development. The DHA in sardines supports brain function and development, especially during fetal development and early childhood. It might even reduce the risk of depression and cognitive decline. Sardines also give your immune system a boost. The omega-3 acids and selenium in these fish have been shown to enhance immunity and reduce the risk of chronic inflammatory diseases. And lastly, bone health. The calcium and vitamin D in sardines support strong bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. So in summary, sardines are a superfood because they're packed with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids for heart and brain health, high-quality protein for muscle growth and maintenance, calcium and vitamin D for bone health, vitamin B12 and selenium for energy production, nerve function, and antioxidant protection, anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Incorporating sardines into your diet can offer numerous health benefits, making them an excellent addition to a balanced and nutritious diet. Give sardines a try and let your body thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time.